it plain. She saw laugh and said relax. No, you told me look up and name.
When I was little, I thought I could save the world. Towel around my neck, I was Clark Kent, flying like the sky was the living room floor. They said that boy's imagination really gonna take him places. I knew my own imagination had already took me places. But I'm no superhero, just like you. I'm so superhuman, just like you. Senses turn so high, it hurts to feel alive. My heart works way too well, my mind stays somewhere else. As I grew older, I thought I could save my world. Found out heroes could be villains, and both of them are living in the ways that we choose to fight our wars. We are the writers of our story. Some fight for love and some for glory. We all got battles that stay raging on the inside. Just hope the cape we choose is on the right side. But I'm no superhero, just like you. I'm so superhuman, just like you. Senses turn so high, it hurts to feel alive. My heart works way too well, my mind stays somewhere else. I'm no superhero, I'm so superhuman, so human. Senses turn so high, hurts to feel alive. Works way too well, my mind stays somewhere else.
What's wrong?
This little baseball popped out of place right here. Get a little close up on that. Yeah, right here.
Yeah, what's that? Shin?
It ain't going in. It's rock hard.
Let's see the other side.
Yeah, just
Nothing there?
nothing there.
Skin?
That's something.
You know what's gonna happen?
Almost chopped through my fingers off. And then, no boo-boo. What's gonna... The next day, and I just came back from school, and my knee's pretty good. It don't hurt as bad anymore. It's a little bit of sting when I like walk on it, but when I bend it, you just gotta stretch it a little bit because it's still like stiff right here, like right below my knee. It's just like super stiff and hard. But let's go bounce on the trampoline. I don't care. Nothing ain't gonna stop me. So pretty much we at Michigan Mafia MX. I went to the track, and their website said they were open, but they were actually closed because in the fall time, no one really goes there on Wednesdays. So we went there. It was an hour away. Oh my God, neighbors! About an hour away, and I did like 2 laps on the pit bike. The jumps are huge. Like you gotta get. They're not huge, but like you gotta gap them. There's like straight down if you don't gap them. So you gotta do that, and so pretty much just went 2 laps around there, and then about the big blackout, the 8.5, and went 1 nice calm lap, and just gassed it up the one where the big jump, like looks like the finish line. So I just gassed it up right there, and at the end there was like 4 little, like I think they're doubles. You gotta gap them like but then I just held it wide open because I didn't really know what to do. So I just like cranked it and held it back in just like 3rd gear max. Probably should have shifted up to 4th, but I just held it in 3rd. And so like I just rolled over the 1st one, hit the 2nd one, 3rd one, and 4th one bottomed out in the front. And then I jumped, it like tossed me up in the air a little bit. And there was a corner right there. So like my hand's the bike. So like I went like this way, and then like the bike turned and I flipped over, and I think like the handlebars or the peg hit me in my leg and like bruised it, like hit a muscle, and that's why it hurt so bad. Like that's why like a big bump popped out, and just got these little boo-boos. It was so hard packed because he didn't groom it because his tractor was broken, I guess. But it was hard, and the rocks, there's tons of rocks, boulders everywhere. But the track was really nice. I liked it. He just got to groom it. He's fixing his tractor. So next time, we're definitely going back, and I'm going to crank the throttle all the way back. And definitely going to come in 1st place if we have a race there. But I think Baja Acres is one of my funnest tracks. I like that track a lot. And next year, I'm going to the Brawl, Baja Brawl. I know all you guys know what that is. So got to go to the Brawl. It looks like so much fun. So definitely going to go there. And if you guys aren't already, don't forget to like this video, comment below if you guys like my old intro I had better, like I forgot how it went, but like the old intro, or if you guys like the new intro of like you know, the new intro, so like season on it and stuff. So tell me if you guys like that one better or my old intro, because I don't know, I like the new one, but the old one just like it's perfect. So just comment below if you guys like either one of those. And then don't forget to subscribe. We hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm so thankful for that. And I'm just going to keep grinding. Got a bunch of videos coming out. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. While we're at the track, I went on there's like a Supercross, arena cross track. And we popped the front tires mount. Cause I went on the whoops. And they were super deep. So front tires popped. Good thing we got a couple tubes in the trailer all stocked up in case we pop one. Got a new set of little tire irons, I think they're called. So, beautiful. This is what my knee looks like now. Like right here, it was really swollen up in the video like you've seen. But it's super stiff right now. But you got this little thing. It worked really good. Fixed it a lot. I hurt this knee at the track last weekend. And then the next, like 3 days later, I hurt a muscle right here. But she's healing good.